Congratulations on your new Permasteel cooler. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for your assembly that you can easily do at home. We recommend choosing a soft, level protected surface for working on. We also recommend reviewing the detailed safety and assembly instructions that can be found in your product's use and care guide. With that, let's get started. Carefully open the box with the utility knife. As we've opened a lot of boxes, we've learned that it's sometimes easier to open the bottom of the box, fold the cardboard flaps back, put the box back on its face, and then slide it up to give access to all of its contents. Remove all the parts and lay them out according to the diagram in your use and care guide. Step 1. Place the leg frames on a soft, clean surface. Next, you'll attach the crossmember bar to the leg frames using two M6 by 13 mm bolts. Don't tighten the bolts all the way. The leg frames should be loose so that it can be aligned with the holes in the basin, bottom shelf, and casters. Now turn the basin upside down. Step 2. Ensure the leg frames are oriented correctly with the crossmember facing the cooler as such. Now attach the two leg frames with four M6 by 13 mm bolts for each leg frame using the Allen wrench provided. Step 3. Align the holes on the bottom shelf with the holes on the leg frames, placing the shelf on top of the leg frames. Now thread the casters with brakes on one leg frame and the casters without brakes on the other. Step 4. Attach the bottle opener to the body of the cooler using the two M6 by 13 mm bolts. Tighten with the Allen wrench provided. Then, attach the cap catcher to the body of the cooler using two M6 by 13 mm shoulder bolts. Step 5. Now attach the seat handle to the basin by snapping the top side in place and tightening it with one M6 by 13 mm bolt. But don't tighten the bolts fully. Slide the body handle into the seat handle that's bolted in, and attach the second seat handle onto the body handle. Now, fully tighten both of the bolts on both seat handles. Step 6. Disassemble the drain plug, leaving the white rubber gasket at the very end. After disassembling the drain plug, we're going to insert it through the inner basin. From there, attach the second rubber gasket and chainring. Use the open wrench provided to attach the nut and securely tighten to the basin. Step 7. Fold out the side tables on the basin and swing the supporting frame until the plastic clip clicks into place onto both sides of the cooler. Step 8. Place the divider and basket into the basin to complete your assembly. Now you're all set and ready to enjoy your new cooler. If you need any additional details, please refer to your use and care guide, which can be found online at permasteel.life. You can also visit the link in the description for our customer service information, and be sure to subscribe for future care and maintenance tips. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.